the angles formed by the two pairs of unequal consecutive sides are of equal measure. So the two pairs of unequal consecutive sides, AD and CD is one pair and AB and CB is another pair. The angles formed by them are D and angle B. We have to prove that angle D is equal to angle B. For this, let's draw the diagonal between the vertices A and C. Now this diagonal divides this kite into two triangles, that is triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Now AD of triangle ADC is equal to AB of triangle ABC. This side AC is common, so AC is equal to AC, that is common. And CD is equal to CB. So we have S, again two sides are equal, and then again third sides, another pair of sides is equal. So from S criterion, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Now since we have established that these two triangles are congruent, let's talk about the corresponding vertices. For that, imagine that you are holding this triangle ADC in your hand. Let me draw a rough diagram. So if this is triangle ADC and this is triangle ABC, ADC and ABC, imagine that you're holding this triangle and you have to superimpose it on triangle ABC, right? So from these three pairs of equal sides, you can tell that if you want to superimpose it on, then since AD is equal, this AD is equal to AB and this CD is equal to CB, if you try to superimpose it on this, the vertex A will fall on the vertex A of this triangle will fall on the vertex A of ABC, and the vertex C of this triangle ADC will fall on vertex C of triangle ABC, and the left one are D and B. D will fall on the vertex B. It means that A of triangle ADC and vertex A of triangle ABC, these are corresponding vertices. Then D of triangle ADC and B of triangle ABC are corresponding vertices, and the C of triangle ADC and vertex C of triangle ABC, these are the three corresponding vertices. So from this one, since D and B are corresponding vertices, we can say that angle D is equal to angle B, because we have already established that these two are congruent, right? So angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. That's what we have to prove here.